how to activate Meta AI for WhatsApp. If you want to fix WhatsApp Meta AI not showing on your WhatsApp interface, this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. Currently, I'm having the Meta AI on my search logo. As you can see, ask Meta AI or search. And you can also see the Meta AI on the bottom right corner where you can equally access it. If your WhatsApp Meta AI is currently not activated, this video is for you. On your phone, locate your App Store or Play Store. In my case, I'm using the Play Store, so I'm gonna open it. In the search engine, search for WhatsApp and pick the one with this best match. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then continue to update it if yours is currently not updated. In my case, I've already updated it, so when I proceed to tap on open, there we are. My Meta AI is activated. So make sure your WhatsApp is updated, and this will automatically activate your Meta AI. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and give this video a like. See you in the next video.